Hello everyone, welcome to the Bodhi Academy. In today's video, we will start with the class 9 science chapter, that is why do we fall in. So, what do you think is being healthy? When do we say a person is healthy or what is health? So, health is a state of complete physical, social and mental well-being. So, health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Now what this means? This means that when a person is uh, well physically, that is he does not have any diseases, he is very fit, then mental means when a person doesn't have any kind of stress which is deteriorating his mental health or any tension, then we say that a person is mentally healthy. And then socially well-being means when the person's all relations, social relations with his friends, family, all those are fine and he doesn't have any stress regarding that also, then we say that a person is healthy. So health is not just physical well-being, but it is all three. So it is the state of physical, mental and social well-being. So only one aspect of this, if a person is all right in, then we cannot say that. And if the mental and social life of that person is not well, then we cannot say that he is healthy. All these three aspects should be well or perfectly fine to call the person healthy. Then it is a state of being well so that one can perform all physical, social and mental functions properly. So the person should be able to do all the functions physical, mental and social properly, only then he is said to be healthy. Then we have seen what is health. Then what do you think is a disease, or when do we say a person is sick or ill? So let us see. Disease is any disturbance in the structure or function of any organ or a part of our body. So it is the disturbance in structure or function in any part of our body. So when there is a disturbance in any organ or any part of our body, we say that it is called a disease. So now what causes these diseases? There are various causes of diseases such as pathogens. We have already learned in lower classes that these pathogens are the disease causing microbes. So these are the disease causing microbes called pathogens, which can cause diseases in plants, humans or animals. So these are the example: virus and bacteria. So this is one cause of disease. Then lack of nutrition. Now nutrition, that is food or balanced diet, lack of nutritious or balanced diet. So this can also cause diseases in us. So proper balanced diet is very important to maintain all the body functions properly. Then also lack of public health. This is the third cause of diseases, that is lack of public health. The public health or the community health services should also be proper for a person to maintain proper health. Then the diseases or infections can be how this can be prevented. So we have seen what are diseases, we have seen the various causes of diseases. Now let us see how we can prevent these diseases. So this can be prevented by a lifestyle modification. What this means is a person should have a healthy lifestyle. That is, if he is exercising regularly, then if he is getting proper sleep, proper rest and proper diet, a balanced diet and enough relaxation, then a person can to some extent prevent some of the diseases. Then taking balanced diet. As I have already said, a balanced nutritious diet is very important for maintaining good personal health, because a balanced diet will provide us with all the nutrients, the carbohydrates, fats, everything that we need to maintain our body properly. Then good personal health and hygiene. As we have already learned in the lower classes, good personal health and hygiene, that is cleanliness, is very important to stay healthy or prevent the diseases. When we stay clean or hygienic, we prevent the growth of microorganisms and pathogens which can cause diseases in us. Also, maintaining clean and healthy surroundings. We have learnt about this also, that we have to maintain proper clean surroundings in our home, in our workplace and in our community. So these are some of the factors which can prevent diseases. Then let us see what are the factors that determine better health or that can contribute in good health. So conditions which are necessary for good health is good physical and social environment. So I have already said that good physical and social environment is very important, and it includes clean surroundings, good sanitation, that is cleanliness, proper garbage disposal. Now this is also a very important point, that we should dispose our garbage properly, because from this, if this garbage is disposed wherever, or if it is not disposed properly, diseases or microorganisms can grow in this and then it can affect us. Then clean drinking water. This point is also extremely important, as we know that there are many waterborne diseases which are caused by the microorganisms which are carried by the water. So clean drinking water, that is boiled drinking water, should be used to prevent diseases or to maintain good health. Then good economic conditions and job opportunities are also important, because a person needs to be financially secure to have enough to have nutritious food and to lead a healthy life. This is very obvious that a person needs to have good economic condition or financial condition, so that he can maintain the proper diet and healthy lifestyle. So as we can see here, both personal and community issues matter in the health. So what is community health? Let us see what is community health. Now all the activities which people do both individually and in groups for the development of society constitute the community health. So we know that people come together as a community for various things or various purposes. We work together, different people work together. Then personal and community health are supplementary to each other. Now what this means is that when people come together as a community, health of one person can affect another person. That is, if one person here is ill or it is sick, so this person can further infect or affect the other people that are surrounded by him. So some of the diseases are communicable diseases, and they can get transferred from one person to another. So personal and community health are supplementary to each other. That is, if one person is unhealthy or if he has some disease, that can be transferred to another person, and that is how all the people in community can get affected by the individual's health. Then we protect ourselves by keeping our body clean. Now this is the responsibility of every individual to maintain the hygiene. Now for this we also require good and healthy environment in our surroundings. So this is what I have said over here. We require good and healthy environment and surroundings as to maintain our own health as well. So we can have this only by means of good community health and development. So the health of the community is good, that is all the persons are healthy, then we won't get affected by others. So both personal and community health are interrelated. So both these are interrelated as we can get affected by one another. Now, being healthy and being disease free. What does this mean? So, what happens when a person is healthy? So, being healthy means that a person is a state of mental, physical and social well-being. In this, the person is completely well with respect to mental, physical and social aspect, whereas being disease free means only the absence of disease, absence of diseases. It doesn't mean that being disease free doesn't mean that a person's mental, physical and social life is perfect. Then second point, being healthy is being healthy means that this is individual. It affects being disease free is affecting only the individual. Being healthy means it will have individual as well as social aspects. Then let us see what are diseases. Let us learn some more about diseases. So disease is disease is any abnormality or disturbance caused in our body. So what is a disease? It is any abnormality or disturbance that is caused in our body. So when a person is affected by a disease, either the functioning or the appearance of one or more system of the body will change for the worse. So when a person is affected by a disease, the functioning will get hampered of a certain part or certain organ of the body, or the appearance of one or more system of the body will change for the worse, or it will deteriorate. Then when these changes will happen in a body, there will be some symptoms or signs of these diseases. And so what are these signs or symptoms associated with the diseases? The common symptoms are pain in the area or the organ that is affected. Then swelling, fever is also a common symptoms of diseases. Now on the basis of, there are various other symptoms, and on the basis of these symptoms, these signs, particular diseases can be identified by conducting tests. So based on these symptoms which we have, doctors will conduct particular tests to confirm the diseases. They can diagnose the diseases based on the symptoms. They will conduct certain tests to confirm the diseases. Now this is all for this lecture. In the next class, we will learn the types and causes of diseases. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.